massive grilled double bacon cheeseburger. Hey everybody, welcome to Cooking with James. I am your host James. Today, another simple and delicious cook. We are going to be doing grilled double bacon cheeseburgers in the Ninja Foodi Smart XL grill. Let's go ahead and get into it. Alright, so this is what we got to prepare these. Some 80-20, got a pound, and then just regular bacon from the store. Obviously I ate some before, but what I do with this, with the hamburger and this, put it in the freezer for about 20 minutes or so, just to kind of firm it up, makes it a little easier. Now what we're going to want to do with the bacon is, we're going to go ahead and we're going to cut the bacon in half. Alright? Makes it easier to fit in the Ninja. Doesn't matter which side you use, but that's that. And so we got the bacon cut in half. And then I'm gonna go ahead, out of this pound, I'm gonna use half of this. We're gonna make quarter pound patties and make this grilled double bacon cheeseburger. Be right back. Alright, real quick, just to show you how I form my patties. I mean, it's pretty simple, but just whatever amount you want. This is a quarter pound. Just put it in the ball. I just use my hand. Go ahead and smash it in. Easy. Now you can use gloves, you know, whatever you want. But anyway, you know, just do like this. And then I like to just go around the edges, make it nice and round. You know, just like that. Just to show you how I make my patties. Done. I'll do the other one. We'll be right back. Okay, so we got our patties formed real quick. Now you can season this whatever you want, or with whatever you want. I'm going to use this, Kinder's, the blend. It's basically SPG, or salt, pepper, and garlic. And I love the stuff. It's awesome. You know, it's got some thick chunks of pepper, some garlic, obviously salt in there. But, you know, use any kind of seasoning you want. And then also, because we're going to heat the Ninja up in just a second, prepare your bacon. I've got 6 slices here total. We'll cut them in half, so it would be 3 whole, but 6 halves. Anyway, let's go to the Ninja and get this thing heated up. Alright, so here we are at the Ninja. Real easy. We're just going to be using the drip pan, obviously, and the grill grate. And we're going to go ahead and turn this thing on, use the grill function, leave it on high, press start, let it preheat. See you in a minute. Alright, we just got done preheating. It says add food. We're going to go ahead and open the top on this thing. It's hot. And we got our burgers sitting right here, just like we made. We're gonna go ahead and swivel. Yep, get that burger over there. Get this one right down here. Perfect. Now we're gonna cook the bacon and the burgers at the same time, which is awesome. So we're gonna go ahead and get this bacon on there, and one more piece right here at the bottom. Just like that. There we go. Alright, so we're going to go ahead and close the top. Obviously we're not done. And we're not going to let it go for 10 minutes, but be right back. I'll show you what's going on. Alright guys, we are counting down 3, 2, 1. So at the 5-minute mark, so it's been 5 minutes. That bacon looks absolutely amazing. We're going to temp these burgers to make sure we are at the spot we're supposed to be. And, oh yeah, we're at 180. Take a look. Bacon, burgers, perfectly cooked. I'm gonna take these off and get them to cut board and prepare to see in a second. Oh, sorry, there was one more thing I forgot. I took the bacon off already and I forgot. Oh my god, you gotta have cheese on a cheeseburger, right? So we've got some cheddar cheese here. My bad, guys. You can't do a cheeseburger without cheese. So get whatever kind of cheese you want, put it on there, and actually we're going to drop the top and give it probably about 30 seconds, then it'll be done. Alright guys, been over about 35 seconds, and those things are perfect, so we're going to go ahead and, oh my goodness, melty, awesome goodness, yield. Alright, I'm going to get these over here to the cutting board, let's build this and try it, see you in a second. Alright, so we just took them off. They're really super hot, but we got our bun here, we got our bacon, I got some of the condiments on the side. Let's build this real quick in just a second. So the whole thing, we cook the burger and the bacon together, 5 minutes total to get it all done. I would say that is a lot better than turn on the stove, and well, it takes a lot longer on the stove anyway. So bottom here, we're gonna go ahead and throw, whew, still hot, get that, now we're gonna get that patty on there. Now we're gonna go ahead and hit it with some bacon. All right, now we're gonna go on top of that, get that bacon out there a little bit like that, and we're gonna go with the rest of the bacon on top of that. Now to top that off, this thing is gonna be a monster and fire. Yeah. So then some tomato, got some nice green lettuce over here. I'm gonna throw it all on. We're gonna make this happen. We're gonna make people happy. Grilled double bacon cheeseburger, and last thing, I love some ketchup. Now you can dress this with whatever you want. Barbecue sauce, mustard, whatever. Now I'm just going in with some ketchup real quick, and well, there is the burger. Now hold on, don't go anywhere. We got to try this. See you in a second. All right, we are finished with the cook, and we got this massive grilled double bacon cheeseburger, and we're gonna give it a shot. You know, obviously it's not gonna be bad. All right, just had to get a napkin, wipe my face off. This thing is absolutely monstrous, and it is awesome. So anyway, that is how you do a grilled double bacon cheeseburger on the Ninja Foodi Smart XL grill. Now, and doing both of them, the patties and the bacon at the same time. It's awesome. So if you are new to the channel, please think about subscribing if you like the content. Make sure to give a thumbs up, leave an awesome comment. And with that being said, we'll catch you on the next cook. Thanks for watching.